In primetime news this evening, off the job, medical technologists restive over wage issues. Not always better. Americans warn Jamaican teachers of downside of migrating to that country for work. And regional leaders concerned about risks artificial intelligence could pose to fair elections.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, there have been a few questions over the last few weeks about the financial system and whether or not it's stable, so the BOJ has addressed those concerns. I'll have the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And there are questions this evening about what happened on the track today. Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, what I can tell you is what you perhaps already know, that Jamaica is off the mark at the World Athletics Championships as far as medals are concerned. Maybe not the way, though, in which Jamaican fans would have liked. And we have some updates on an injury concern from the Jamaican camp. I'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
Still supporting the athletes. Thank you, Jordan. And there's also weather. We have Romaine Robinson with a preview.
Thanks so much, Andrea. We're paying very close attention to Tropical Storm Franklin, currently in the central portion of the Caribbean. We're expecting it to be moving further towards the north, though we're not expecting significant activity as a result of the system, but we're still paying very close attention as it moves further north.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what concerns do you have about the emergence of artificial intelligence?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.